Today, understanding tuples. Okay, tuples have immutable behavior. They are very rigid in terms of changing their particular values. Okay, how do we initialize a tuple if we want to work with it? So initializing a tuple, I can use empty tuple, and then I can use this, what do you call it? This braces. Okay, I can use these braces. So if I use this, I will make a tuple. How do I know if tuple is made? I can do a type, right? Anywhere, if I'm not sure which kind of a data type I have initialized, I can use inbuilt function type, right? You see, simply it says class tuple. You can take any name, like we can take any name with the list itself. So I did, right. So the class is tuple. So here, if I want to initialize an empty list, this is also another way to initialize an empty list. If you remember, if you remember, how did I how I was initializing when I covered list for you. You see, this is also a way to initialize an empty list. This is also a way to initialize an empty list. Okay, so both are same. Both are initializing an empty list itself. Okay, so if I print a type of LST, it will give me a list. See, here I have initialized an empty tuple, and then this. Here also I'm initializing an empty tuple itself. You see, and if I print the type of this, list and tuple. So these are inbuilt classes, you can say, or inbuilt data types which we use in Python. So now I am using a name, you can say a variable name, which is assigned with a value, which is typecasted or mentioned like this value is a tuple. How do I know? I mean, how I'm doing this? This is list. This is a list, right? This is a list, right? In this square bracket, this is a list. But I covered it with this braces. So now what it is? It is a tuple, which has a value, which is a list. Okay, and this is assigned to which this number. Let me print the type of number. What will it give me? It gives me class as tuple. Okay, so tuple can also accept values like list. Okay, it can accept a complete list as its a value, as its value itself. So if you remember, in list we understood that list can accept multiple things here, right? See, it's accepting integer, it's accepting string, it's accepting float. So tuple can accept a complete list also. Even this list can accept a tuple. Okay, these data types can accept each other. Not an issue. Okay, so this is a list which is placed as a value inside the tuple, and it is assigned to a variable which is called as numbers. Okay, so here I'm using this as a list. So if you see, this is a list. So again, the similar example, mixed tuple. So tuple can also have same values, right? 1, hello world, 3.4. If you see here, same value, 1, hello, this. Tuples also accept mixed type of values. So print mixed tuple. So I got 1, hello world, this. If you see, here I'm getting braces. And if I go here you see, I'm getting square bracket. So Python is differentiating. Okay, we also want to get us familiar with these, like what kind of output is showing, what kind of a data type we are using. Okay, so accessing the tuple elements, how we'll access. So you remember how we were accessing the elements of list by indexing. So my tuple is this. So what will happen at the beginning? This is at 0. This is at what? 1. This is at 2. This is at third position. Okay, let me okay, let me take this. Numbers is here, you will not understand. Let me take this example. Okay, 3, 4. So now can someone from you in the chat answer me if I use 3 here, if I execute this, what will be the output? Even if you give a wrong answer, it's okay.
2.
Yeah, true. Anyone else? Yeah, true. Okay, Sandeep, fine. Okay, Amarjot,
True.
true. Okay, nice.
1.
1. Okay. How? So remember, I'm printing an index value of 3. So what is the third position? That will be printed, right?
Yeah. 3.14.
3.1.
It's the float.
Yeah, but I'm using 3 here, right? Okay.
Mhm.
So 0, this element, this complete element is 1, this is 2, and this is third. So third will return true, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for answering. Now, okay, okay, let's take this example itself. Mixed tuple here. So mixed tuple, again the same formula. Let me write a formula for you. Then I will ask you mixed underscore tuple. Okay, start, then stop -1, and then step. Okay. So what will be output of this line? Can anybody tell me? This is our mixed tuple. I am using this formula. Okay, and I'm trying to print this. What will be the output here? Give it a try.
So it's 0 minus 4.
0 minus
The
4.
the value of the value you put it in on the mixed tuple.
Anybody else? Guys, it's okay if you give a wrong answer, no worries. No one wants to try? Can you try now? I have taken this formula and I just input the values. Now can anyone tell me what will be the output of this?
I think 2 to 3.
Sorry, output of mixed tuple. So this is your mixed tuple.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
I think the output will be everything.
Yeah. Anyone else want to try? Okay. Marius, Sanjeev, Rishlok, are you able to get it? No? Okay, see how we want to calculate whenever we have a mixed tuple, right? So you just have to use this formula. So start from which index? Zeroth index. So what is that zeroth index? I have to start from here. Okay. Up to which value I have to print? I started from 0. And then I have put in place of stop what value I have? Here see 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So I started from 0 and I have to end at 3. So how many elements will be printed? All of them will be printed, right?
Yes, everything.
Yeah, so this is how you want to, you will have to do calculation in your mind, and you have to build your understanding. So if you understood this, you will be able to understand list concept also. If you are able to remember the list also, you will see the similarities in terms of how we are fetching the values. Okay. So what does this denote? If let me see who remembers this from previous class. If I do colon colon -1, what will happen?
Last value will be print.
No, see, okay. Let me try to give you. Now you give me the. Okay, let me see. You see, I need answer for this first, and then I need answer for the second. Let me see. So I will also understand where the confusion is. Okay, it's okay to be wrong, but please answer.
First,
Okay.
first is true.
First is true. Okay, you say true. Okay. Okay, next. Next. Give it a try. What is this? But this we did this in list also, right? If we go to list, let me see. Where did I get this? -2. Okay. I think I use -1 also here. So if I do colon -1, can someone explain me why I'm getting this output? This is my number and I'm in list by the way. Okay. Can anyone explain me if this is my number list and I'm doing colon -1 and I'm getting this output? So what does that mean? What this is doing?
It's revert the numbers.
Yes, it's reversing. If colon -1 is reversing in list concept, then what this is doing or this will do?
It will typically revert the mix or the value of the mixed tuples.
Yes, correct. Okay, the output got mixed. See, first is true, and then it's true, reverse 3.4, hello world, and 1. Okay, this is all you need. Okay, so there is something called as concatenation. This is true for string also. Okay, let me first give concatenation example in strings. Okay, let me take a string. Let's say ABC is a string. Okay, the sun rises in. You see what I'm doing here? I'm adding ABC plus BCD. The sun rises in the east. So what actual operation I performed here is called as concatenation. Okay, concatenation means adding two elements. Even addition means adding two elements, but here if you see in string operation, it's not an actual 2 plus 2 or 1 plus 1, right? It's adding strings. So we have a separate name, technical name, when we use these kind of an operations with other than normal addition, which we use in our mathematics. We call that concatenation, ABC plus BCD. So we got this. Okay. So in tuple operation here, you see what I'm doing is, so there is something called as numbers and there is something called as mixed tuple. So what I am doing here, I'm doing a concatenation. So what will be the output? So let's see what is numbers, by the way. Where is numbers? So here it is. So numbers is a tuple with list. Okay, this is numbers. So let me print this. So this is numbers. Okay, numbers has this value, and mixed tuple has these values. Okay, what I'm doing is concatenation, number plus mixed tuple. What will be the output? Numbers plus mixed tuple. Okay, very simple.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.